Hi sir, ano po yung name nila sir? Ano po yung name niyo sir?
I am Mr. Rolando B. Ricardo Jr.
Kayo po yung
I am the school principal.
Yun sir. So kami po ulit yung Check My School, no? So we wanted to basically know kung ano po yung, say for example, needs ng school or ano po yung sa tingin niyo yung kailangan i-work out dito sa school. So nabanggit niyo kanina yung library, basically yung ano po ba yung mga concerns or basically kailangan ng school?
Una-una, we don't have live. And it's the resources, not only the building, but of course yung iba pang gamit na kailangan ng references.
Basic computer, may ganyan. May computer room po kayo dito?
Pero it's not enough.
Ilang units po yung meron sa
Only
computer? 10 computers. May internet po kayo?
Wala kasi
Medyo mahirap yung signal.
yung signal mahirap.
Kahit globe tattoo ganyan or
Mahirap pa rin.
mahirap pa rin.
Mahina. May pumapasok din
pero medyo mahina. I see.
Mabagal yung pag-download ka, mabagal.
I see. So other than sir, yung nabanggit nyo, yung learning resource or basically yung library or yung computers, ano pa po yung basically kailangan ng school? Sa tingin niyo?
Actually, sa proposal namin, we are proposing to have a tutorial center.
Para saan po yung tutorial center?
Yung tutorial center will cater for those students who are always absent because of distant. May mga student po kami hindi araw-araw pumapasok dahil sa siya, walang pamasahe, malayo. Yan sila ang i-cater namin. When they come back, we will call them out. Tutorial and for enrichment activities. Dapat naka-structure dun
Oo nga po.
There must be a center, there must be a resources, and there must be somebody to take care of that.
So far po, ano po yung naging action nyo? Say for example, dun sa nabanggit nyo yung tutorial.
As of now, we're just giving them extra assignments.
Okay. How about po yung sa, say for example, yung sa mga books o yung sa library?
Yung sa books namin, we are also tapping private person
for the books. Pero yung in terms of the room?
Yung sa room, hindi na namin makaya yan.
Okay. Pero may space naman po, if ever.
May space, malaki pang space.
Doon sa likod. Ilan po ulit yung population ng school?
Yung population naman as of now is 1,007.
1,007. Okay. Tapos lahat naman, yun po ay from first year to fourth year.
From grade 7 to fourth year.
Oo nga pala. Yung grade 7, yun yung first year, diba? Alright. Sige po. Okay, thank you sir.